Hello everyone, my name is Faith Robbins. So I come from a small town in Wyoming. It's called Star Valley, Wyoming. I am about an hour and a half south of Jackson Hole. So that's really cool because I'm really close to the mountains and nature and then the Grand Teton National Park. An interesting fact about me is I was just recently married in July. So my legal last name is actually Schleep. I just haven't changed it with the university, so here on the online class, you guys will know me as Faith Robbins. A little more about me. I'm the youngest of 5 siblings, and that's pretty cool. A little hard to handle at times, but all of them are great and I love them. And the application of this course of culture and diversity, this is something that changes from place to place and school to school. And it's just something that we as teachers just have to embrace and learn to love because it's something that we can't change. And so in this course, I'm excited to learn more about it and how to learn to love it. So here's a picture of me on my wedding day. My husband and I, we were sealed in the Bountiful Utah Temple. Here's my family, all of my siblings and my parents. This picture's a little outdated, but it's good because it's all of us together. And then here's a picture of Star Valley. It is literally a valley. We have mountains on both sides of us. So it's beautiful and I love it there and I miss it a lot. So the cool thing about this learning style, when I was reading through the different styles of learning, I picked one and I was like, I'm pretty sure this is what I am. And I was right. And so I'm a concrete sequential, which like I said, I was not surprised at all when I got it. A really cool thing about it is that I'm a hands-on learner, which might not sound good for an online course, but because of that, I'm going to be challenged and probably put out of my comfort zone quite a bit. But I'm really excited to learn more about culture and diversity and to be able to learn different teaching styles besides my hands-on learning. And so I'm excited to be here with all of you. I am excited to learn more about you guys.